Hi, this is John, and in this clip I'll be talking about safety. First off, with all electrical related projects, I always highly recommend talking with a licensed electrician. Furthermore, if you are at all unsure about what you're doing, I would recommend not doing it. Now, before you start any of the work, you want to make sure that the electricity is off. Now, you always want to double check your fixture with some form of a voltage tester to make sure that it's off. You want to make sure and use tools with insulated handles, and if you're going to be using a ladder, make sure it is made of fiberglass. You also want to make sure that any electrical project that you do either meets or exceeds all electrical code requirements that cover the work you're doing. And lastly, you always want to make sure to work where there is plenty of light. Since we're going to be having the lights off for our project, we have these work lights that are going to provide us with adequate lighting.